And today we are going to be taking a look at Crypto.com coin, taking a look at what could send it to the moon, the price that is, what's been going on recently, and there has been some big news surrounding their recent partnerships that I do want to talk about in today's video. Now, I am no financial advisor, so Crypto.com coin is the native coin of the Crypto.com platform. CRO coin is the actual abbreviation of the coin, and we can see on Crypto.com you can buy and sell crypto. You can get a crypto Visa card where you get up to 8% cash back on purchases in stores and stuff like lunches, Tesco, all around. And this is the reason why I, as a disclaimer, hold CRO coin for this Crypto.com card, because this basically enables you to get free Spotify, as you can see here, in terms of a rebate back in CRO coin, and you get 2% cash back in CRO coin on every one of your purchases. And for me, this is such a great thing because I believe in crypto personally long term. By getting cash back on every single purchase I make, I don't lose any more money, but more 2% of my spending is going back into the crypto ecosystem. And in relation to Crypto.com coin, I feel like one of the things that is going to send it to the moon is the fact that if people start using crypto on a day-to-day basis, if people decide to use the Crypto.com platform, and in general if crypto takes off, then Crypto.com, the coin, will also be highly demanded because its a whole ecosystem is built around the success of crypto. And if crypto is successful, then higher demand for the coin, assuming supply stays the same, means a higher price. So for me, these coins were a no-brainer. You can even get a private jet membership if you was to, that rich. Now, if you're looking to sign up to Crypto.com or buy CRO coin, use my link in the description down below and you'll get $25 free CRO coin, or even some money back on your trading fees as well, depending if you use the desktop or app version once you kind of, get a Ruby Red card, if that's what you wanted to do for the app. But yeah, so that's why I personally, as a disclaimer, hold CRO coin. You can see as well, they're an exchange, they have Visa cards, they have a whole NFT section where you can buy and sell NFTs on their marketplace. This links heavily to their partnerships with the likes of UFC recently and crypto and Formula One. Obviously, being partners with them sort of platforms, it does create great scope for some cool NFTs coming to their marketplace. And again, the higher demand for NFTs on their marketplace, the higher there's going to be demand for CRO coin, again, which could push up the price. So we can see again here, crypto 5th anniversary mystery box, which look very interesting. And all at Messi, again, after he just won the league, there's so many cool things that are just very cool, I believe. So we all know what's going to drive Crypto.com price up: high demand for the coin. And we can see here some of the other products: Crypto Earn, Exchange. You can get a good staking return as well, up to 14% interest on some of your coins. Crypto.com Pay, you also get crypto back, blah, blah. I'm digressing. So that is what Crypto.com is. It's a wide array of things. We know that and high demand for it is going to help send the price of Crypto.com coin up. Now, the market cap sits at currently $3 billion with a fully diluted market cap of 3.7 billion. Again, me personally, as an investor, I always like to see it when the circulating supply is close to the max supply. Here we can see we're about 83% of the way in, because it means there's less supply to come in the future, and less supply means that obviously, there's more scope for the price to go up because, there's going to be less supply coming in. Basic economics. Then you look at the volume, $43 million of volume in the last day. That is very high. It's a lot higher than it was about a month ago. And that obviously means that buy and sells are going to be happening very quickly. And we can see here, taking a look at the chart, that back about a month, well, not even a month ago, but in the last about 3 weeks, it has risen about 25%. And that 25% rise is obviously very good, because if you're a holder, you're going to be making, if you invested £1,000, £250. So some people are saying that the crypto bull market doesn't, and it's not going to end until, I believe, the end of this year. And that this is the signal of the rebound. Again, we can see here they're saying that they're likening it to the start of the year, with this rebound supposedly coming, which is going to take the price of it far higher. Obviously, that is just some people's opinion. I offer no guarantees or opinions, so please do not take this video as grounds to invest. I'm simply informing you of what I've done, some cool things surrounding Crypto.com, etc. So we see its market rank is 29. It's slowly been moving up, especially as some of the altcoins have been dying out at a faster rate. And it's currently sitting at its 24-hour high. And if we take a look at the 1 year chart, we can see from its all-time high, it's about half of its all-time high. But since the start of the year, it's about doubled. So it really is a coin that I like personally as well, because excuse me, it's already at levels which it has been at before the massive pump. You never want to get caught in a pump and dump, but this coin clearly, as we can see here, has been to $0.17 before this massive pump. But obviously, it depends. Was this massively overvalued here? Who knows, maybe, because if it was massively overvalued here, maybe here it's even more massively overvalued, and only around now is it at true value, or maybe this is its true value. You just never know. And one of the reasons why crypto is so volatile is the fact that people cannot place a true value on the value of cryptocurrencies because there's no relative assets out there, and people don't know truly how big they are and how much potential they have. So that's why crypto is so volatile and hard to price. So here we can see again talking about the founders of crypto.com, how long it's been around for, and we can see it survived the bull run back in 2018. It didn't die out after the massive bull run, and therefore we can kind of assume that it is going to be around to stay, the crypto. So it's not as risky as some of the other coins out there, let's say like, Safe or blah blah, Safe mean whatever. So there we are, there's their NFT box. I might place a bid on one of them because they look pretty cool, you never know. But essentially, let's take a look at recent news. We can see that recently CRO Coin has been on a bit of an uptrend, partially triggered because the UFC kit deal. UFC are the sponsors for UFC kit now. And again, this obviously brings great publicity to the whole crypto space in general, and then again to crypto.com. And obviously publicity means there's going to be more people on the app. More people on the app means that it's got more of a future, because high usage ultimately is what is going to drive the price up. So we can see, taking a look at the daily chart here, there's some technical analysis, and some people are signaling a small bit of a resistance level at the very bottom around here, just below $0.1, and then a small kind of uptrend currently going on now, while there's been an overall downtrend with a slightly flattening out of that downtrend of late. But obviously, do your own research into this. But there's, for the first time, and I've been covering crypto.com for a while now, there's been a fair few articles in the last few days talking about crypto.com price prediction. Crypto.com, is it going to break out? Their recent sponsors, and a few other cool things. So I think of all times to look at crypto.com, it seems as if the market is slowly picking up on this potential gem, because they have been making some very, very big moves in relation to sponsoring some very big sports and so on, which obviously grabs attention. We can see here Via News says that there's momentum going forward for the crypto and so on. So on one of the articles, they talk about, how this current, it's been up year on year for 117%. But recently on Sundays, it surged 7% relative to Bitcoin and some other coins. And with the July 17th Silverstone Formula 1 Grand Prix, again, it's become the official partner of Formula 1. So that's going to drive more publicity, especially in the UK, to the app. So it seems like we know what's going to send them to the moon. We know what they are, what they do. We know what's been happening very recently. And again, we can see that, it's getting a bit more publicity. So crypto.com, I think overall, is a very interesting coin, because its growth is heavily dependent on the growth of Bitcoin and the whole crypto ecosystem. I feel like if you truly believe in crypto long term, then it might not be a bad investment. Same for a lot of cryptos, to be honest. But if you don't believe in crypto, then it might not be a good idea to invest. So it's all about your personal belief. For me, as I said, I got it for the Visa card so I can accumulate more crypto at no extra cost to myself, realistically. But obviously, you're susceptible to fluctuations in CRO coin, price fluctuations and so on. But I think, it's a coin that's not going to make you rich overnight. It's a coin that, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say for granted, but it's a slow burner. So there's my opinion on CRO coin. Lots of big updates recently. UFC partnership is great. I'm excited to be holding it. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this coin, and I'll catch you again very soon.